What's up, do-it-yourselfers? On today's episode, I'm going to show you a super easy shelf build that takes about 5 minutes. Coming up. What's up, guys? To start today's project, I'm starting with a little bit of scrap wood. You can use just about any kind of 3/4 inch material for this project, but I chose some 1x10s. These narrower looking pieces right here are actually 1x10s I already ripped in half. 1x10s ripped in half are actually the perfect size for little windowsills like this, and they're perfect for handmade door jambs on standard 4-inch walls. But once again, use what you have laying around. I'm going to rip this other 1x10 in half so I can match those other couple pieces. Next, we're going to cut those pieces up. I guess a miter saw is not going to work if it's not plugged in. Let's try that again. For now, I'm going to cut 2 pieces for each shelf that are 2 feet, and then 2 pieces that are 8 inches. I'm building 2 of these shelves today, so I'm just basically doubling the recipe. The cool thing about these shelves is that you can basically use whatever measurements you want. Just remember, the tops and bottoms and the 2 sides need to be the same. Now I'm just going to put these 2 together. I'm using wood glue and a small nail gun. Now you can definitely use a hammer and some small finishing nails, which will cost you like $1 to put these together. If you want to do this the really easy way though, I suggest getting a nail gun like this one. This one came from a 3-part set that you can get on Amazon for about $180, and I use all of these on almost every single one of my projects. I've been using them now for about 3-4 years, and I haven't really ever had any issues with them. I'll throw that link down in the description if you're interested. But to make things simple though, I'm just gluing and nailing these short bores to the sides of those long ones. Then after that's complete, I just make sure it's square. You should easily be able to tweak it though if it's not square, and then when the wood glue dries, it should stay that way. Here I am putting the second shelf together. As you can see, I built 2 of them in less than 10 minutes, so this is a pretty quick project. If you sand it down and smooth out all the rough edges, it'll make it look more like one solid piece. You'll want to do that before you stain and varnish it. Now just stain and poly or paint it how you want it. To hang this guy, I'm going to just drill 2 screws into 2 studs. You didn't see me make the marks before, but you want to make sure these 2 screws are level with each other. For now, I'll just set these 2 shelves on top of these 2 little screws. Now, you can be done with this if you want, but if you don't want to see these screws, then I'll show you how to hide those. First, I'll make a mark on my shelves where my screws are. Then I'll find a drill bit that's slightly narrower than the head of my screw, just barely. Then I'll drill 2 holes on the back side of that shelf where my marks are. Now you should just be able to line up those holes and snap the shelves onto the screws. Now you got some great little shelves that can hold all kinds of little trinkets. I'm sure these will get filled up really quickly. Thanks for being with me today. If you like this video, be sure and smash that like button. Also, be sure to check out some of the other great videos I have. I've got some fun videos, I've got some other great projects, and step-by-step tutorials for a lot of different stuff. Be sure to check out my channel and see what else is available. And don't forget, keep hitting that I believe button. We'll see you next time.